bloating, brain fog, low energy. You might think it's just stress or age, but what if it's actually what you're eating every day? In this video, we're exposing 3 foods that are silently wrecking your gut health and what to eat instead. Chances are at least one of them is in your kitchen right now. Over 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. And the trillions of microbes that live there, your gut microbiome, play a role in digestion, inflammation, weight, mood, even hormones. But every time you eat the wrong foods, you weaken your microbiome's ability to protect and repair your body. Food number 1. Refined seed oils, like canola oil, soybean oil, corn oil. These oils are cheap, heavily processed, and loaded with omega-6 fats that cause chronic gut inflammation. They're in fast food, frozen meals, mayonnaise, and even healthy snack bars. Excess omega-6 throws your gut out of balance and damages the lining of your intestines, leading to leaky gut and autoimmune triggers. In one study, animals fed with a high omega-6 diet developed gut dysbiosis in just a few weeks. Food number 2. Artificial sweeteners. We're talking about sucralose, aspartame, saccharin, marketed as zero-calorie health boosters. But studies show they confuse your gut microbiome, kill off good bacteria, and trigger glucose intolerance even without sugar. That's why many people drinking diet sodas still gain weight and feel sluggish. A 2021 study found sucralose altered gut bacteria in as little as 14 days. Food number 3. Ultra-refined grains like white bread, breakfast cereals, and processed pasta. These are stripped of their natural fiber and nutrients, leaving behind a blood sugar bomb that feeds bad gut bacteria and promotes inflammation. The lack of fiber means your microbiome doesn't get the prebiotics it needs to thrive. Long-term, this can lead to constipation, nutrient malabsorption, and chronic fatigue. All 3 of these foods, seed oils, artificial sweeteners, and refined grains, disrupt the gut in the same ways. 1. They create inflammation. 2. They kill off good microbes. 3. And they weaken your gut lining. When that lining gets compromised, toxins leak into your bloodstream, a condition called leaky gut. 3. This triggers everything from acne to autoimmune issues. Here's what to eat instead. 1. For cooking oils, switch to avocado oil, olive oil, or grass-fed butter. 2. For sweetness, use raw honey, dates, or monk fruit in small amounts. 3. For grains, choose sprouted bread, steel-cut oats, and quinoa. These swaps nourish your gut, reduce inflammation, and keep your digestion on track. Most people report improvements in just 7 to 10 days. 1. Less bloating. 2. Better bathroom habits. 3. Clearer thinking. 4. And even improved skin tone. It's not magic. It's just feeding your gut the right stuff. To recap, ditch the refined seed oils, artificial sweeteners, and ultra-processed grains. Replace them with real, whole ingredients your gut can thrive on. If you have made it this far watching this video, it means you truly want to help your gut. It's worth watching my other videos above for more ideas. If you want more science-backed gut health tips, hit subscribe, like the video, and share this with someone who needs a reset.